Welcome to our Statistics and Probability series. Today, we are diving into measures of center. Specifically, we will learn about the mean, the median, and the mode. So, what exactly is a measure of center? Simply put, it is a single number that summarizes a whole set of data. It helps us identify the typical or central value, answering the question, where is the middle of this data? First, let's talk about the mean. You probably know this as the average. The mean acts like a balance point for the data. To calculate it, you sum up all the values and divide by the total number of values. Let's try an example with the numbers 4, 8, 6, 5, and 2. Step 1 is to add them all together, which gives us 25. Step 2 is to count how many numbers we have. Here, we have 5 numbers. Finally, divide 25 by 5. The result is 5, so the mean is 5. Next is the median. The median is the middle value of a dataset, but there is a very important rule. You must sort your numbers in order from smallest to largest first. Once sorted, the number sitting right in the center is your median. Finding the median depends on how many numbers you have. If you have an odd amount of numbers, it is easy. Just pick the one exactly in the middle. But if you have an even amount of numbers, you will have 2 numbers in the middle. In that case, take the average of those 2 numbers to find the median. The third measure is the mode. The mode is simply the value that appears most frequently in your dataset. It is the most popular number. In this example, the number 7 appears 3 times, which is more than any other number, so 7 is the mode. When should you use each one? The mean uses every single number, but can be messed up by extreme values. The median ignores those extreme values, making it great for things like house prices. The mode is unique because it is about popularity and works best for categories, like voting for a favorite color. Here is why the difference matters. Imagine 5 people. 4 have typical incomes, but 1 is a millionaire. The median stays at $40,000, representing the typical person, but the mean jumps to over $200,000 because of that one millionaire. In this case, the mean is misleading. To recap, the mean is the average, calculated by summing and dividing. The median is the middle number after sorting, and the mode is the most frequent number. Understanding these 3 tools helps you describe data accurately. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.